Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vinnu Vinay. Today also we are back with one more amazing video. Actually today we are collaborating with one more YouTuber called Stories by Annie. Her name is Annie. I have asked her in Instagram and I requested her to do a collaboration video for my channel. And she is also new to YouTube. She has also started recently her YouTube channel, so it's very helpful for both of us to get more subscribers. Let's go and watch the video. Here we go.
Narasimha Reddy, this is Daniel of the 57th Regiment of the British Company, Madras Presidency. Come forward and show your surrender! Prepare the cannon! Fire! I repeat, Narasimha Reddy, surrender! Fire!
God. Oh my God. Wow, what a look.
He's here to lick our boots.
My God, this blast.
Infantry! Charge! ఏనాటి వీరులారా, ఈ యుద్ధం నీ కోసం కాదు, నీ అన్నల కోసం, నీ తల్లి కోసం, మీ బిడ్డల కోసం. చరిత్రలో మనం ఉండకపోవచ్చు, కానీ చరిత్ర ఈ రోజు మనతోనే మొదలవ్వాలి. వాళ్ళకి మనం 40 మంది సామాన్యులమే కావచ్చు. ఈ సామాన్యులే ఓ సామ్రాజ్యాన్ని కూల్చారని చరిత్ర చెప్పుకోవాలి. యుద్ధరంగం నీకు కొత్త కావచ్చు, ఆయుధం పట్టి నువ్వెప్పుడు యుద్ధం చేయకపోవచ్చు, కానీ నీకు వేటాడటం కొత్త కాదు, క్రూర మృగాల్ని వెంటాడటం కొత్త కాదు. వేటాడుదా!
Wow, yaar, amazing.
ఈ నేల ఎవరిది? ఈ యుద్ధం ఎవరిది? గెలుపెవరిది? ఫైరా!
Sira. Oh my God. What a fight.
Artillery! Charge!
Wow. Amazing scene. my god, what a fight. Wow. Wow, amazing. This scene was just amazing, yaar. Oh god. Oh my god, this means
This is what the scene is.
what a scene, yaar. Okay. Or
She is pregnant.
yes, she's. Oh my god, what a fight.
సుబ్బయ్య సుబ్బయ్య దీనమ్మ సావంటే ఇది దొరా
Oh no.
Super scene, yeah. Superb, yeah. Superb.
Superb, mind blowing. Yes. Oh, this was amazing.
Did Kicha.
Yes, what a.
He's a supporter for British.
Okay. Oh my god.
ఈ 300 మందికి భయపడి పాలెగాడెవడు రాకపోయినా నువ్వు అక్కడివే నిలబడ్డావే.
Yes, it's mind blowing.
అప్పుడే నన్ను గెలిచావు. అదే 300 మంది నీ ఒక్కడికి భయపడి నా సాయం అడిగారే. అప్పుడే ఆ 300 మందిని నువ్వు గెలిచావు. నీ గెలుపుని కల్లారా చూడాలని వచ్చా. సాయిరా
Saira.
నరసింహ రెడ్డి.
నచ్చావు ఒకరాజు.
నువ్వు నాకు నచ్చవు. నేను చేయాలనుకున్నవన్నీ నువ్వు చేసేస్తావు. నేను ఎక్కడ ఆగిపోతానో నువ్వు అక్కడ మొదలు పెడతావు. నాకు నచ్చవు. ఓ రోజు ఈ ఉద్యమంలో నీకన్నా ముందుంటా.
అదే నేను కోరుకుంటా.
Wow, great.
సాయిరా.
సైరా.
How was the video?
It was awesome video and I got goosebumps at the time of fighting. It was amazing.
Do you know what is the age of that actor?
No, I don't know what is the age of.
His age is 63 years.
What? He is looking like 30 or 35-year-old.
He is the uncle of Allu Arjun.
Okay, I really don't know about him.
And he is the father of Ram Charan Tej.
Okay, now I understand. Yes, yes.
But his age is 62 or 63, exact I don't know.
It's
More than 60.
Unbelievable. Its fitness and expression wise and all these things was just amazing in that age.
Yeah. And talking about this film was released in 2019 on Gandhi Jayanti, October 2nd.
Okay, I really don't know about this film when this released.
Actually, it was released in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi. It was released in 5 languages.
Okay.
It was a very big hit in Telugu, but unfortunately it didn't got good success in Hindi because of at that time there is a film called War has released.
Yes, Wow, I know that.
So
I watched that.
in that case, I think this film didn't reach
But
that mark
this was
in Bollywood.
blockbuster, I think.
Yeah.
Amazing movie and that fight scene was also amazing. I
Yeah.
really liked it, yeah.
This was also collected more than 250 crores.
Wow, it's a big success. Seriously.
Actually, like in this film from Telugu, Chiranjeevi sir was there, superstar. Okay.
Okay.
From Tamil, Vijay Sethupathi is there.
Yes.
From Kannada, Kicha Sudeep is there.
Yes. Combination
From Malayalam, Nayanthara is there.
Amazing combination.
From Hindi, Amitabh Bachchan sir is there.
Seriously?
Yeah, Saira Narasimha Reddy, Chiranjeevi's guru is Amitabh Bachchan in this film.
Oh, I really don't know.
And from Bhojpuri film industry, Ravi Kishan sir is there.
Oh my god.
Lots
it's
of
awesome.
cast and
It's a
crew was
big
there.
combination of big combo, I
Yeah.
think. Yes,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
amazing. And next I wanted to watch this movie. This scene was very awesome, literally.
Yeah, actually you can watch this film in Amazon Prime.
Yeah. And that emotion scene, that woman who is pregnant and then
Yeah. That's Nayanthara.
Yes, it's Nayanthara. So this was just awesome scene, and that time I got goosebumps when she delivered child. This was awesome
And
scene.
yeah, at that particular scene, we can see one death and one birth at the same time.
At the same time,
That's-
yes.
Every time in our life also, one death and one birth will be having, but in cinema, if we saw like that in the movie, it's creating somewhat impact.
Yes, this is amazing fact in that movie. Seriously, I
And
really.
talking about a scene, one particular scene, Britishers came to fort to do a war, right?
Yes.
They are 300
Yes.
British people came to attack on these people, but
And-
our Indians, they are only 40 people,
40 people.
who has.
And they are won. I think that
Okay.
war technology and all, it's very nice.
Yeah, actually, for the fort, full they have river. At that place, they have placed oil and grass. If Britishers come there, they can fire them. At that same place, they came and they fired them.
Wow, yeah, amazing. Really, really.
And
really nice.
talking about one more scene,
Yes.
that old person Subbaya has jumped from the top
Yes.
with the 10 Britishers.
Yes. This was amazing.
That was also amazing.
Yes.
And after that, he throwed the fire, and there is one scene. It's really good, yeah.
It's
a
really
slow-mo.
good. Yes.
Yeah, it's a slow-mo.
Huh.
Come 360 degrees camera they use.
360-degree camera. So, oh my god, amazing.
Okay guys, this is all about our video reaction. If you like our video reaction, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you like our collaboration video, please message us in the comment section that about if you want us to do more collaboration videos, please mention in the comment section. We will definitely do. And she don't know Telugu. I'll make her to speak in Telugu if possible right now.
Yeah, sure.
Meeku
Miku,
ganaka
Ganaka,
ee
E
video
video
నచ్చినట్టు
నచ్చినట్టు
అయితే
అయితే
మా ఇద్దరి ఛానల్స్
మా ఇద్దరి ఛానల్స్
సబ్స్క్రైబ్
సబ్స్క్రైబ్
చేసుకోండి.
చేసుకోండి. Please do subscribe my channel and as well as Vinnu Venus channel. And if you want more videos with collaboration with us, then please comment below and please do subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram ID.
Our Instagram IDs will be in the description. You can go and message us. Okay guys, bye. See you soon with one more great amazing video. Bye.